Elara, a brilliant young translator, had her life perfectly planned. But one summer in the Costa Rican rainforest would change everything. What will she find? She would discover that the greatest lessons aren't found in books, but in the wild and in the wisdom of those like Gabriela. Let's start reading together. Elara was a prodigy with a mind like a well-organized library. Her life was planned out perfectly. Graduate with top honors, get a great job at a prestigious translation firm, then travel the world, translating languages with ease. She spent all her time studying, with little time for friends or fun, but life had a different plan for her. And she was about to discover this in the lush, humid Costa Rican rainforest. One hot summer, Elara volunteered as a translator at a remote wildlife sanctuary. Away from her books and classrooms, she was surrounded by the sounds of the jungle, monkeys shrieking, frogs croaking, and cicadas buzzing. Despite the vibrant sounds around her, Elara felt a growing silence within. The other volunteers, who were passionate about the animals and the land, seemed to speak a language she couldn't understand. They talked about more than just grammar and words. They talked about the whispers of the wind, the sounds of a stream, and the silent messages in the eyes of the animals. One night, a fierce storm hit. Rain poured down, and the wind roared. The sanctuary's generator, Elara's connection to her familiar world of emails and online dictionaries, broke down, leaving them in darkness. Elara panicked. She was book-smart, but had no practical skills. Gabriela, a cook from a nearby village, stepped up. With calm and confidence, she led the group, using simple tools and her deep knowledge of the environment to secure the animals. In the light of a small fire, Elara saw a different kind of knowledge, the knowledge of experience and connection to the land. Over the next few days, Gabriela became Elara's silent teacher. Elara learned how to start a fire with wet wood, predict the weather, and connect with the animals in a meaningful way. She realized that true learning didn't just happen in classrooms. It happened through experiences in the hands of someone like Gabriela and in the eyes of a rescued jaguar. When Elara returned to college, she was changed. Languages were still her passion, but now they were bridges to people and places. She started volunteering with immigrant communities, using her skills to help and understand others. Elara learned that life wasn't about reaching a set goal. It was about the journey, learning from experiences and the wisdom of those who have lived differently. The most valuable lessons came not from textbooks, but from the living world, from the rainforest, and from people like Gabriela. Elara's journey taught her that life's greatest lessons come from experiences and connections, not textbooks. She returned with a new perspective, ready to bridge worlds with her skills. What are your thoughts on Elara's transformation? Share in the comments, like, and subscribe for more inspiring stories.